Has this ever happened to you? You get home from vacation, and when you check out your photos, you see these weird specks in the sky.
Oh my God! These must be UFOs! Wow, this is huge! I could sell these images to National Enquirer and make a fortune!
Sorry to disappoint. You have not hit the jackpot. Those are specks from a dirty lens. I'm going to demonstrate how to clean your lens the right way. No, not like that. Like this. First, use a blower, but not your blower, our blower. One that's specifically made for cleaning camera lenses. This is always the first step and should knock off any loose dust and debris. If that doesn't do it, use a brush, gently and carefully wiping the lens in a circular motion. Sometimes your lens needs a deeper cleaning from buildup such as ocean spray and other types of spray. In that case, you need to use an optical cleaning solution in a microfiber cloth. Instead of spraying the solution on your lens, spray 2 or 3 spritz on the microfiber cloth first, then wipe your lens in a circular motion, making sure to cover the entire surface of the lens. The blower, brush, microfiber cloth, and optical cleaning solution should always be in your camera bag. Using these tools will help keep your lens in top shape and your pictures free from blemishes. Do you need to purchase a lens cleaning kit? Come into Horn Photo and see our experts. We'll hook you up. Got the picture?